Welcome back to the channel, riders. Today we're talking about something simple, something cheap, and something absolutely essential for the life of your motorbike: sticking to your engine oil and oil filter service schedule. It's one of those things people think they can delay, skip, or stretch out, but trust me, your engine never forgets. So settle in, hit subscribe, ring that bell, and let's break down why fresh oil and a clean filter are the heartbeat of your bike. Before we dive deeper, make sure you follow the procedure shown in this video. And remember, this video includes clear English subtitles to guide you step by step. Your engine is a high-precision machine. Every ride, every cold start, every twist of the throttle creates heat, friction, and microscopic wear. Engine oil is the only thing standing between smooth performance and metal grinding on metal. It lubricates the moving parts, carries heat away, keeps the piston and cylinder protected, and makes sure your gearbox shifts cleanly. But oil doesn't last forever. Over time it breaks down, gets thinner, collects dirt, carbon, clutch material, and tiny metal particles. When that happens, it stops protecting your engine the way it should. That's where the oil filter comes in. Think of it as the engine's personal bodyguard. Every time the oil circulates, the filter traps the debris that would otherwise scratch, score, and damage the inside of your engine. But once that filter fills up, it can't do its job. The oil starts bypassing it, carrying all that dirt straight through your engine. That's when wear accelerates, temperatures rise, and performance drops. A cheap filter can save you from a very expensive repair. Following the service schedule isn't just a recommendation, it's a survival plan. Manufacturers design those intervals based on real-world testing, heat cycles, and how hard your engine works. Fresh oil means smoother running, easier cold starts, better fuel economy, and a longer-lasting engine. You'll feel the difference instantly after a proper service. The throttle response sharpens, the idle steadies, and the whole bike feels more alive. So don't wait for the oil to turn black. Don't wait for the engine to sound rough. Don't wait for warning signs. Keep your bike healthy, keep your performance strong, and keep your rides trouble-free by sticking to your oil and filter schedule. It's the simplest thing you can do, and it pays you back every single mile. If you want more maintenance tips, deep dives, and real-world advice, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell. Your bike deserves it, and so do you. And remember, this channel now has over 3,000 videos showing you exactly how to maintain and look after every single Zontes model.
coming for the throne.